We're at PharRyde Electronics, getting ready for the Bike for Equality ride that we set up. We got a pretty good turnout so far. Probably got about 20, 30 people here. Should be a good time. We're here to unify everybody here on the same level, same energy, so we're good. Hey, if we can have everybody come here real quick, we're gonna go over the game plan and then we're gonna roll out. All right, Mook, go ahead.
All right, just wanna first and foremost thank everybody for coming out. This started just as an idea to decompress and de-stress. As you know, and we all know and feel that the world we know it, as we know it, is changing and at a rapid pace, and that can be a bit overwhelming. Me and my partners just like to ride to de-stress and thought we'd open that invite for everybody out. So really appreciate all you guys coming to share that with us. With that being said, my boy Marion's gonna let you know safety rules and laws, so we have no problems while riding down the strip.
All right, here's the game plan. I encourage everybody to talk to one another, get to know people. We're starting from here. We're gonna ride around this loop to get on the Sunset and then get on Las Vegas Boulevard. We're going all the way down to the Art District, okay, right in the promenade. We're gonna take a break there. My boy Joe, his wife is gonna have water, so if you ran out of water, we'll have water for you guys. We're gonna do a quick 8-minute and 46-second homage to George Floyd, Breonna Taylor, Rayshard Brooks, and Ahmaud Arbery, and for everybody else that's been gunned down at the hands of police. Okay, so we're gonna do that there, take a little break, and we'll come right back. Let's have fun, let's enjoy. Is everybody set? Does anyone need to like fix their bike or anything like that before we roll out?
Everybody there? Everybody's good?
We good? All right, Mook and Joel, they're gonna lead the pack. So everybody else, just make sure you guys following Mook. And Joel's over there with the red shorts doing wheelies over there.
All right, let's get it.
All right, let's go, y'all. You got the back, Dave? All right, make sure we stay in this right lane. Yo, it's like some of these cars is trying to help us out.
Yeah, seriously.
It's dope. You guys good up here? How you guys doing? Marion. Sam, nice to meet you. Marion. Asia, nice to meet you. You look familiar. Do I know you? I do know you. Oh, that's where I know you from. Okay, thanks for coming, guys. Appreciate it. You good, Zoe?
Yeah.
You good?
Oh, you see that dude? He was like so turned up and he was like shocked by all these bikes. It was hilarious. So he was like, they keep coming.
There's a lot of us, man. It's got to be like 100. Hey, we got to get to the left. We got to get to the left lane right here. You guys good? Hey, this is dope, bro. Hey, I'ma pull up so I can get y'all on camera. I think we all caught up with everybody, so.
We all good now?
I think so.
Don't need to hurt him no more?
I think it might be one group, but the bus dude is helping us out. This is the last group.
Okay, cool.
Good job, good job, good job. You guys good? Anybody need water? You good?
Waters?
Some over there by the whip. I know you guys know the purpose of this ride, okay, is to unify as many people as we can of all different kinds of races, different walks of life. We want to do an 8-minute and 46-second moment of silence. Okay, that was how long that officer's knee was on, that murderer's knee was on George Floyd's neck. I want to kind of pay homage to all the people that have been brutally murdered by police officers unfairly, people that have been convicted wrongfully through our U.S. justice court system. So, you ready, Goose?
Yep.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and start that. That was beautiful. Thank you guys for doing that. Appreciate it. Thank you so much for that. I appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Every Thursday, I'm down.
Yo, that bike is dope, bro. Yeah, I fuck with that shit. What's your name?
Ready?
Freddie? Marion, man. Nice to meet you. Ride was a success. We probably had about like 100 plus there. It was good. The city came out. So now we are celebrating with the PharRyde crew.
Great turnout.
Really?
Great turnout.
Great turnout.
Great turnout.
Luke, what you got any words?
First of all, fuck Bunker Boy. All birthdays matter, bitch. We had a really good turnout. Hella people that I didn't know. And everybody that I knew didn't even come up or show up. My bad,
Shots fired.
I mean, no shots fired, low key. But there was a lot of diversity out there, you know.
I thought it was an amazing turnout, to be honest with you.
Right.
It was an emotional experience, that's for sure. Very proud to be a part of something like that, you know, and say that I have been part of something like that. So.
Felt good, right?
And I think I got a little sunburn. My cheeks are.
You do. You look a little rosy.
I thought it was beautiful. It was awesome. I'm proud of y'all. It was great. Everybody came together of all ages and races. And
Water
it was
Mama.
great.
The Water Mama.
I thought it was great to see everybody get together and do their thing. Very nice.
I just want to say that I'm proud of y'all for putting this on. People need to be aware, and I think y'all got something special here, so I'm proud of y'all, man.
It was very pleasant riding with everybody today. I'm glad everybody came out.
The positivity was, it was a vibe, man. It was dope.
It was a vibe,
yeah,
baby.
yeah.
Let's get it.
Thanks for having me.
Now we gotta do this in Temecula.